Hello and welcome to this introduction to Wappler. Wappler is a web development platform that allows you to create responsive websites and applications quickly and efficiently. It is a low-code builder that gives you access to your application's code while building, allowing you to customize your code without limits. In this introduction video, we will start to get to know Wappler on a basic level. We will take you through the process of downloading Wappler onto your computer, setting up a new project, and getting to know the application's features, before taking you along while building a simple website to explore the possibilities more. Let's get started. To download Wappler, visit wappler.io. Press the Get Started button and be redirected to the pricing page. Wappler offers a 14 days free trial for new subscribers. You can choose between monthly or yearly payment and basic or pro packages. For information about each package, read the description. Choose preferred payment method and the plan that fits your needs. Now create your account and proceed to log in. You will receive a validation code on your email to log in. Now add your payment information to complete the subscription. To download Wappler to your computer, go to your profile page. From the dashboard on your account, go to the Download section. Click on the right file and wait for it to finish downloading. Now, click on the downloaded file and proceed to move it to the Applications folder on your computer. Open the Wappler application and log in with the account you registered previously. Great! You have now successfully downloaded Wappler. Welcome. For this demonstration of building a web page using Wappler, we will be building a static web page. To get started, press the plus button on top of the page. Choose between web or mobile app. We are going to go with a web page in this case. There are existing templates to choose from if you don't want to build your website or app from scratch. We will start with a blank page. Choose the project's name and the folder you want to place it in on your computer. This web page will be about Frank the dog. We will make a new folder to store the project in. The following input fields refer to development environment and server model. The development environment is about the sets of tools and features Wappler provides for building the software applications. We are going to leave it at Wappler Local Server. Server model refers to the architecture and design of the server-side components of the web application. The server model in Wappler includes components such as Server Connect, Database Connector, File Manager, and Security Provider. We will not be going into depth of this area of Wappler in this introduction video, so let's leave it at Node.js for now. Click Save and be redirected straight to the project. We are now ready to get to know the application. When opening a new Wappler project, all you can see is a blank canvas and icons on the left hand of your screen. We will do a quick walkthrough of what the different icons means before we proceed to building. This button shows your account details, as well as a link to support. When clicking this button, you will have the opportunity to visit a more detailed version of your account where you can edit your details. This is the Options button. When clicking this button, it provides you access to various settings and configurations that allow you to customize the behavior and appearance of your project. This can help you to create a more efficient, secure, and visually appealing project that meets your specific needs and requirements. This Extensions panel allows you to add and manage extensions for your project. These extensions are pre-built modules that can add additional functionality to your project, such as additional front-end components or server-side integrations. This is the Project Manager panel. This panel provides a centralized location for managing all the files and folders for your project. This helps you to keep your project organized and easy to navigate. This is the Project Options button. This opens a panel that allows you to configure various settings related to your projects, such as project type, frameworks, app structure, debugging and testing, and deployment settings, among others. The Resource Manager panel allows you to manage all the resources used in your project, including images, videos, CSS files, JavaScript files, fonts, and more. This is a powerful tool that makes it easier to organize, edit, and deploy your files. To use the Resource Manager, you will need a Basic or Pro license. The Theme Manager in Wappler is a tool that allows you to easily manage the design and styling of your website or application. With the Theme Manager, you can create and customize themes, apply them to your project, and make global changes to the design of your site or application. This is the Routing button. Routing is an important aspect of web development, and this feature is helpful in the process of defining the URLs for the different pages in your web application, as well as to specify the functions or actions that should be executed when a user visits a particular URL. The Database Manager is a tool that allows you to easily manage your database connections, create and modify database tables and fields, and perform a wide range of other database-related tasks from within the Wappler interface. This is the Workflows panel button. A workflow is a series of tasks that are performed in a specific order to achieve a particular goal. This tool can help you automate common tasks and simplify your development processes. By creating workflows to automate common tasks, you can save time and effort. This is the Git Manager button. This is a tool that allows you to manage your Git repositories directly from within the Wappler interface. With the Git Manager, you can perform common Git operations such as committing changes, creating branches, and merging changes between branches. This is the Site Manager button. This is a tool that allows you to manage all aspects of your website or web application. With the Site Manager, you can create new sites, manage existing sites, and configure settings such as server connection details, remote and local paths, and more. When starting a new project, Wappler will provide you with an existing index page, a layout file, and a partials file. The layout file in Wappler is a visual representation of the structure of your web pages, and you can use it to add and arrange different elements of the web page, such as headers, footers, etc., as well as custom CSS styles and classes to these elements. When you create a new page in your project, you can choose to base it on a specific layout file. Partial files contain only a specific part of the HTML code that can be shared among pages. By using these features, web developers can avoid duplicating code and make it easier to maintain consistency across multiple pages. We will now create the different content pages we need for our demonstration project, and we will base all the files on the main layout file. Now let's begin the styling of the main layout file that all the content pages are based on. We will start by adding a header element by clicking the plus button in the middle of a page. By opening the window containing various element blocks, we can choose between different pre-made navigation styles for our header. We proceed to add a main element to our page. In this case, the main element lands over the header element, but as you can see, we can easily move it in the app structure bar on the right-hand side of the screen. We are now moving on to the footer element, and we are again choosing a pre-made footer style for our project. When placing this, we face an annoying problem where the footer is placed in the middle of the page. We can easily edit this and force the footer to the bottom of the page using Bootstrap CSS classes. Save, and you will see that the footer now is placed on the bottom of the main layout page. We will now add the routing to all the navigation items. Select a menu item and add the link to the different pages under Nav Properties on the right side of the screen. Repeat this process for all the navigation items. Now, we save the main layout page. The content of this page will now be added to all the pages created using this layout. To start building the main part of the website's homepage, we go to the index page. We are starting by adding a header containing the website's heading. Using the Properties and Design panel on the right side of the screen, we can style the heading. We center the text and add padding. Now we add the main section of the home page. This section will contain an image of Frank and a welcome paragraph. We center the image and text the same way as the heading. Next, we want to add two sections to the home page. One section will contain information about Frank and a button to redirect to the About page of the website. The other section will contain contact information about Frank's owners and a button to redirect to the contact page. As you can see from this demonstration, there are easy and effective ways to style and edit the website. We will add some different fonts and colors to some parts of the page. Now it's time to show the live version of the page by clicking the Open in Browser button on the right side of the screen. I am not happy about the Welcome section of the home page on the larger screen size, but I can easily fix this on Wappler with just a few clicks. This page is not a finished product and is not a website that would be launched. This has just been a brief walkthrough to show some of Wappler's possibilities and features. There is a lot more to discover in Wappler, and the possibilities with this development platform is, as mentioned earlier, almost endless. Download Wappler and let the fun begin.